It's Thule. You already know. You want to take this message to these faggots inboxing me, yo. We would love for you to be in a video. Albanian rappers, whatever they want to be called. I'm like, hold on, man. I don't know ya, man. I ain't doing it. You know what I mean? And I did some research, and one of the dudes was hating on me, so now he wanted me to, you know, help him out, whatever, man. Man, fuck out of here, man. I do me. I'm an entrepreneur for myself, man. I'm catching all the fucking buzz. Nah, y'all not hot. The devil wants my soul. Models want my offspring. Yeah, man. You know how models are, man. They say you're Thule, man. Yo, Modeli Dibras, man. Yeah, man. We model, Dibra model, man. So fuck y'all, man. I ain't trying to do no videos with y'all niggas, man. I'm doing my own thing right now, man. Fuck out of here, man. Like agua. Bezel on the wall like agua. Asana. But what it is, man, fuck it. I ain't fucking with Trump niggas, man. You know that? I'm the illest nigga right now, man. I put the Albanian youth on my back, man. Yeah, they tell anybody. We following Thule right now, man. Peace.